Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Humaira Bashir and you are watching Epic Words. Today we discuss reactivity of organic molecule. First one is nucleophile and second one is electrophile. We discuss electrophile and nucleophile. What is nucleophile? Nucleophile is basically, we can say that nucleophile is a positive species due to negative charge. Let's suppose examples: hydroxide ions. Hydroxide ions have negative charge and therefore we can say that nucleophile is a negative species. Electrophile is a positive species and we can say that examples, let's suppose water molecule H2O. This one water molecule has positive ion. Let's suppose hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion have positive ion and that is called electrophile. Now let me teach the fundamental concept of nucleophile and electrophile. Fundamental concept of nucleophile and electrophile. Consider hydroxide ion and water molecule. This one is hydroxide ion and water molecule HO and H. Consider hydroxide ion and water molecule. We can say that hydroxide ion has ability to donate negative charge. Let's suppose we show that lone pair of electron and this one is and this one. We can say that hydroxide ion has ability to donate negative charge. We know that hydroxide ion have negative charge and we can say that hydroxide ion have negative charge and ability to donate negative charge. It is also known as nucleophile. Secondly, we know that this molecule of water is neutral. Molecule of water is neutral. We can say that this one is lone pair and secondly, we know that this molecule of water is a neutral molecule but it can donate this lone pair of electron, or we can say that it has ability to donate negative charge or this lone pair of electron. This one, if we can show that this lone pair, this electron pair donate and this electron pair of electron. Now this is a water molecule and it has ability to donate electron pair and it has negative charge. So this neutral molecule of water is also known as nucleophile. This nucleophile. Again I repeat, water molecule have ability to donate pair of electron and we know that its water molecule is a neutral molecule and have capacity to donate pair of electrons. So this neutral molecule of water is also known as nucleophile. Therefore we can say that if a reactant that donate a pair of electrons to form a covalent bond is known as nucleophile. A reactant would A reactant that donate a pair of electrons to form a covalent bond is also known as nucleophile. Here we can say that a reactant that donate a pair of electron to form covalent bond is known as nucleophile. Is also known as nucleophile. On the other hand, consider hydrogen ion, which have positive charge, and have a capacity to accept a pair of electrons. And we also considered boron trifluoride. This one lone pair, this one is lone pair, and this is pair of electron. This hydrogen ion have a pair of electron that accept, and boron trifluoride also accept a pair of electron. Boron trifluoride also accept a pair of electron. We can see that one vacant orbital in hydrogen ion can easily accept pair of electron. So we can say that hydrogen ion is an electrophile. So we can say that hydrogen ion has electrophile. Secondly, we can say that boron trifluoride basically it is a neutral molecule. There are 6 electrons present with the boron and its octet rule is incomplete due to one vacant orbital in BF3. Boron trifluoride easily accept pair of electron to complete its octet rule. So we can say that boron trifluoride is also electrophile. Therefore, we can define as BF3 a reactant that accept that can accept a pair of electron to form coordinate covalent bond is known as electrophile. Finally, let me teach one real example. Consider hydrogen ion and ammonia. NH3 hydrogen ion which have positive charge and ammonia NH3. If we can write another form, hydrogen which have pair of electron and ammonia NH3 pair of electron, that pair of electron accept this one in hydrogen. This is also accept a pair of electron, then it converted into NH3, and this one is hydrogen. This is form coordinate covalent bond. We know that hydrogen ion has a vacant orbital, so it is an electrophile because hydrogen ion can accept a pair of electron. On the other hand, there is one lone pair present with NH3 present in NH3, so it is a nucleophile because it can donate easily lone pair of electron and change pair of electrons. NH3 will donate lone pair of electron to hydrogen ion to form ammonium ion. So listen carefully. Hydrogen ion has accept one pair of electron and it form coordinate covalent bond. Thus it is an electrophile. NH3 donate one pair of electron. NH3 donate one pair of electron and its form coordinate covalent bond. This is nucleophile. This is nucleophile. And hydrogen, this is electrophile. Thus it is a nucleophile. Also remember that this arrow shows its coordinate covalent bond. It's all about nucleophile and electrophile, and it's all about reactivity of organic molecule.